Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a bookmark on the Everand application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and open a book. Just wait 5 seconds. And actually, if you want to add a bookmark, for example this page, click to the screen, go to the upper right corner of the screen, the 3 dots, and here you can find different options, and just click to the first option, the create a bookmark, and click that, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.